This hero is celebrated and recognized for his tireless effort. And next, we have a hero who is celebrated and recognized for exemplary work and dedication through her foundation named Mashujaa have contributed to conflict resolution and reconciliation to the people of Kenya. He served as Deputy County Commissioner at places such as Fort Tenan, which is on the border of Kisumu. And next we have a hero celebrated and recognized for his efforts in fostering and cultural identity. He played a key role in the preparation and conservation efforts locally and internationally. Miss Patricia is a hero celebrated and recognized for exemplary work in dedication through her foundation named Max. Next, we have Fred Onyango Sungu, a hero who worked to stamp out cattle rustling as well as coffee. The next is Jane Ndenga. This is a national hero honored for holding the title of First Africa Paralympic Games on a wheelchair tennis 2023. Basi let's all smile. Tabasamu ili hiyo picha iwe imekaa vizuri kabisa. Asante sana.